Thought I'd take a quick video of my truck. About to go get some new wheels and tires for the truck. Got about 50,000 miles on the existing tires. They're a bit worn. Current tires is 275/55 R20. I'm gonna definitely go a little bigger, better stance. Gonna get a 2.5 inch level kit as well. So we'll see how it goes. All right, just got the new rims and tires. Those are the Fuel Assault 20-inch rim. Tire is a 295/60 R20 Nitto Ridge Grapplers. I got a 2.5 inch level kit up in there. It does rub when you turn hard for a reverse, which I have to do in order to get in my garage. So I did have to trim the crash bar in the front and also the crash bar in the back. I think I'll also have to trim out some of this plastic here just to shave it a little bit. Offset is a +1, so it's a slight poke. I think it looks pretty awesome. There we go, so you guys can see that right there. There we go. See it from the back. All right, there it is. 295/60 R20s. Did have to do some shaving, +1 offset. Probably wouldn't have to if it was a +19, but I like the +1 better. All right, there we go. Get a far shot.